Welcome to Pearl, the first true multi-niche WordPress theme. Every niche demo included with this theme has been carefully tailored to the exact nature of the industry, designed and developed to include every feature to meet your needs. Provide the option for your customers to make appointments online. Simplify your schedule management with the Pearl. Have you dreamt about having a music player for your website which doesn't stop playing in the background while you are browsing the pages? We have it in the Pearl. If you are an owner of a restaurant or cafe, the Pearl theme has 3 amazing layout options to showcase your menu in an appealing way. Use 3 different project templates in the Pearl to easily and professionally showcase your work. With the Pearl, you can create a fast, user-friendly website with an inbuilt PayPal donation system. Enjoy a vast library of more than 200 custom, time-saving UI modules. In the bundle, you also get the easy-to-use Pearl slider to create responsive slideshows with seamless transitions. Using Pearl Mega Menu Configure columns, fill sections and display your menu full width or boxed. The drag-and-drop header builder gives you complete freedom to compose your own header in WordPress. Our support team is always ready to help you via live chat and ticket system. Don't miss your chance. Get Pearl today on Theme Forest.